Alright guys, we got a special unboxing from Fable Beard Company. Been wanting to do this for a long time. Stay tuned. Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we discuss tips and tricks for your beards. We do some product reviews and unboxings, and we've got a beard advice series where you guys can send in pictures to me to that email address you see below. I take a look at it for a little while. You get featured in your own video, so make sure you check that out if you haven't. And I've got a lot of products here from Fable Beard Company. The owner, Colin, I've been following him for a long time. I've been in the community for a long time. Way before he actually started Fable Beard Company, he was making videos and putting them on YouTube. I think he had about a dozen or so. I watched all those, commented on those, and then he started Fable Beard Company, doing some great things over there, unique take on it. So he was into the role-playing games and that kind of stuff. So that's kind of what he based his company around. So he's got great artwork, he's got great stories, he's involving a lot of other people in the community with his Legends series that he's been doing. So very cool. He actually sent me messages like, have you done a review for me? Have I been on your channel yet? I was like, no. He actually helped out Matt from No BS and I when we were doing the Epic Mustache Challenge. He did sponsor a couple of giveaways when we did an Instagram live. So thank you for that, Colin. And also thank you for sending out these products to me. He gave me a code with so much money to spend. So I tried to diversify as much as I can, and I think you guys are going to like what I've got to show you. So let's see what we've got. So we've got a big bag full of stuff. We've got our little box here. We've got some other things. We've got the famous note here. It's got the Fable in melted wax. It's been sealed on there. Sir Haywood. I love it. If I can get it open. Dun, dun, dun. Beautiful card there. I trust your adventures will aid you well. Welcome to our, don't know what that word is. It's tavern? My liege? He always says my liege, but he's called the Wizard. I know we're going to have a product called the Wizard. There's got to be one coming sometime. And then a little invoice of the stuff that I picked out. So sometimes I pick out stuff from companies, and then sometimes I just tell them to send me whatever they want me to highlight. But I think I did this in a way that's going to be very beneficial. So in here I have a sample pack, and this sample pack has all of the main line of characters, all of those scents. So in it I've got the hero, I've got the scribe, I've got the barkeep, which I think is unscented. I've got Captain Red, which is a bay rum. I've got the Archer, which is the woodsy. I think the original one too. Got the Gunslinger, which is, I don't remember what that is, a futuristic patchouli, and I think it may have coffee in it too. And the Engineer, which is on the citrus. Okay, so got those. I may try to smell them here on camera, but I can't warm them all up in my hands because it makes a big mess and I have scents going everywhere. But these look to be 1 gram dropper tops. Every beard has a story. So great artwork even on the samples. So I got all of those scents to highlight for you to go over. I got a co-wash. I've been trying out some different co-washes from companies, so I always like doing that. And this one is in the Teacher scent, which is one of the Legend, what's it called? Legend series, I think. And that one is with Dan C. Bearded, another fellow teacher there. This is 8 ounces of co-wash. And it's berry scented, very, very berry scented. That smells good. We'll see how that one does in the beard and if it lingers. This says apply and shower, wait 5 minutes, rinse for a soft, clean beard. So we got that. Let's see what else we have. Dun, 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 dun. Another Legend series. We've got my friend Mo, the Shark. All right, so let's go ahead and smell this one. So this one is the beard oil in the shark scent. I can't remember what it's got, maybe bamboo and some other stuff that's supposed to smell like the ocean or something. I don't know. To me, it didn't hit me as like, oh, I've got to have that. But I wanted to diversify, and I think I got all the scents to go over with you guys. That's nice, though. It's a little bit, yeah, I mean, it smells like something you would smell at the beach. So it's got a little the saltiness to it, but a little something else too. I'll see if I can pick out some good words to explain that and try it in the beard and warm it up and that kind of stuff. But anyway, we got the shark. And then the last two things we have here is the newest Legend series. My friend Hollywood Dave, also known as the Barber. So I got the oil and the brand new butter. And I know that since the release of the very first butter, which was this one, he's come out with some more and some of the other scents. So be looking for that on his website. And I'll go over more with you, ingredients and prices and all of that stuff coming up. I'll also talk to Colin before I do my final review, see if he has anything cooking. He's always got something coming out with new or doing some kind of sale. So this one is Barbershop, but I think it's got whiskey in it, or Fireball. Yeah, that's not just Barbershop. I don't smell any talcum powder. I smell more of the Fireball kind of scent. It smells good though. And I got the same thing in the butter. If I can get off the bubble wrap. Here we go. And that's a big jar of butter. I think that is 4 ounces. Okay, so ingredients here: mango butter, kokum butter, elupi nut butter, shea butter, beeswax, fragrance oils. Same scent. There's the Barber. And it did not melt. And that smells good. I get a little more of a clean scent on that. A lot of times on a balm or a butter, the top notes that you get on oils are a little bit flatter, so you get a little bit more what it might really smell like once it's warmed up. And I'm going to enjoy that. I'll be wearing that one tonight. I won't, let's see, should I open these? I will leave this for next time, since they're just a little sample thing. Sometimes it's hard, even when I'm trying to smell those on camera, because the opening's so small. Sometimes I don't really get a good scent of it until I warm it up. So I'll hold off on that. But I've got all of the scents, both in the regular line and in the Legend series, except for the ones he's got for the ladies out there. I didn't get those. But anyway, looking forward to trying all these out and sharing them with you over the next couple of weeks. All right. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the next video.